The Transport Minister and JATU on collision course over toll rates. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, Jamaicans warned not to become complacent as the country faces emerging diseases every year or two. Changes coming to the Maypen Cemetery in Kingston and Double Murder Rock Stone Mill community in St. James. In the financial week, financial analyst accuses private sector colleagues of bureaucracy. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, our feedback question. The Reggae Boys will go up against Costa Rica in a semi-final round CONCACAF football match, which should be now underway at the National Stadium. We're asking, do you think the Reggae Boys will be victorious against the Costa Ricans? Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and send us your tweets to @TelevisionJam. Stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.